Good morning, class, and welcome to ACC 202 Managerial Accounting. And what I'm about to show you is a summary of basically how the class works, and whether you're in my online class or my class that's on campus, that most of the same things will apply. So this is an email that will go out to everyone who's enrolled in the class, and the first thing you'll do is you'll click on this little link. It goes to YouTube, and basically it's what I'm doing right now, which is recording this video. So let's get started. First of all, our class will not use Blackboard except for student evaluations. The required book and online material for this class would be Fundamental Accounting Principles by Wild and Chiappetta, 21st edition, McGraw-Hill. The book should look like this on the front cover. The ISBN number may or may not look like this, depends on how the book was packaged. So what's more important is than the ISBN number is to make sure that the front cover matches that. Alright, also you'll need a Connect Online Access Card. And let's see. Here is a link to the course site, or you'll see one in your email version of this. And from this point on, you just go to that link. And so let's go to the class site. I've got it picked out here already. Let me just go down here and open it up. So your class site will look basically like this. You'll see that all the assignments are listed over here. And the assignments that have a little alarm clock beside them, if you hover over the alarm clock, you'll see how many minutes you get for this assignment. If you want to know something about the assignment, you click on the little I for information. Notice this one assignment has 6 questions or 6 points, and it's a homework assignment. Assignments also, the due dates are all listed right here. The status of the assignment, that is if it's still available, and if it's not available, it's all listed in this column. And then how many attempts you get for each assignment. Notice this one has 1 attempt. And for assignments that have unlimited attempts, I only record your highest score. So let's go on down through here. Most of the testing will work as follows. You'll have a practice test that'll be timed, and you'll have unlimited attempts for it. And then you'll have right below that, when you get ready to take the real test, it'll be below here. It'll also be timed, and you'll get 1 attempt for that test. Reading quizzes, they're also timed. When you have those, in this case that was a reading quiz, it's 40 minutes, and you just have to click on these or hover your mouse over these to see how much time is available for each of these things. Anything that has a barbell by it, that means it's a practice and doesn't count towards your grade, but it is practice. Notice that's the practice chapter 1 practice test for the chapter 1 21 test. The final thing down here will be our final exam. You'll have a practice for it. It'll be timed, unlimited, and the real live final will be, of course, timed but with 1 attempt. And what else we got? Let's see. Also on this site, there's a picture of me along with where my office is at and my office hours, along with my email address. And then if you ordered the Connect Plus version of Connect, then you have access to this ebook, which you can click on right here. Also, if you want to download the syllabus, it's available right here. And I believe that's about all I want to talk to you about on this Connect site. So now let's go back to this information on this getting started email that I'll send out to everyone. Let's see. Warning, warning, warning. If you are receiving financial aid grants or loans, you must show participation in this class within 5 days of the course start date by completing the first 3 course assignments on Connect. Also, you can buy Connect, the access card, either online or at the bookstore, or when you're online, you can get a free trial of Connect for 2 weeks. Let me show you how that works. So let's take a look at this. So when you go to the Connect site for the very first time, you will see this screen. It'll say welcome, and if you already have registered, that is more than, like you're there for the 2nd and 3rd time, then you'll, from this point on, you'll put your email address in there, your password, and hit sign in, and you'll go right to the course site. But on the first time, if you haven't registered for Connect, you'll go to this, you'll see this screen, and you'll go over here and make sure that first of all the course is correct, the section's correct, the instructor information is correct, and the book is correct. If so, then you want to click on Register Now. The next screen will pop up. It'll say put your email address in there, which would be your KCTCS email address, and click on Submit there. And then this is the third screen that will show you, for example, if you bought your code, your access code at the bookstore, then you can just enter it here, hit Submit, and you go right to the course site. If you haven't bought it, then you can buy it online by clicking Buy Online, or if you don't have the funds, you can click on this right here to go to the free trial. So free trial will be something you want to consider if your aid hasn't come in yet. So that's all about that. Now let's go back to this email it'll be sending you out. So again, that you'll see all that when you go to the course site for the first time, which is this link right here. Alright, also let's see, so once you've bought the Connect code and the book, so forth, so on, and got a free trial or got the access code activated, then you want to register and create an ID and a password. You want to log in, start doing assignments. If you need course help, you can email me, or you can call me at this number. Either you can call me no later than 9 p.m. and no earlier than 9 a.m. Also, if you need technical help, that is something wrong with the computer, internet, whatever, your browser, then you can call 1-800-331-5094 for the Connect support by mail. And then here I have a list. It's like a little thing that shows all of the assignments, most all the assignments, and it shows if I have a YouTube video listed for it. So for example, if you're working on this assignment, which is really assignment exercise 18-7, and you need some help on it, if you click on this link, you'll go right to my YouTube channel that has a version of me doing this same assignment except with a different set of numbers, and you can watch that and then hopefully understand how to do that assignment. And here's all these links. Notice I don't have anything for the practice tests or the so forth so on, because those things are also supposedly going to help you there all the way through to chapter 25. Anyway, so this email will go out to everyone enrolled in the class, and to get going on this, you'll just click on this little watch this first, and it should give you everything you need to know to start the class. And if you have any other questions, just give me a call or email me.